Understanding Spinal Implants, a guide to medical vocabulary. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term spinal implant. This is a medical term that might sound complex, but we'll break it down together. Understanding such terms not only expands your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the world of medicine. A spinal implant is a medical device designed to provide support or stability to the spine. It's often used in surgeries to treat spinal conditions or injuries. These implants can be made of various materials like titanium or plastic. This section will explain the purpose and types of spinal implants in simple terms. To understand spinal implants, it's essential to know about the spine structure. The spine is a column of bones in your back, called vertebrae, protecting the spinal cord. We'll discuss how these bones work and why they sometimes need additional support from implants. Spinal implants are not used casually, they have specific purposes. In this section, we'll discuss conditions like spinal fractures, scoliosis, and degenerative disc disease, which may require the use of a spinal implant. We'll use simple analogies to explain these medical conditions. Here, we will talk about what happens during spinal implant surgery. It's a complex procedure, but we'll describe it in an easy-to-understand way, highlighting the role of the spinal implant in the surgery and the recovery process. This section will cover life after receiving a spinal implant. We'll discuss rehabilitation, lifestyle changes, and the long-term impact of having an implant. It's important to understand not just the medical procedure but also its effects on a person's life. We hope this video has helped clarify what a spinal implant is and its significance in medical science. Remember, understanding such terms not only improves your English but also broadens your knowledge. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in our next video.